Hello guys, uh, the control box almost finished, and it should be oriented in horizontal manner. Is that here the vertical one, and this side will be on the face down to the floor, or is the bottom. I add just one more DC converter here. One is for the Y-axis driver, another one is for the B-axis, C-axis, and the rest of 12 volt and 5 volt DC supplies. It's not fit quite well. And now I'm going to make the panel or the monitor. Here the computer 3D model was prepared, and there is the post here. And the post will be locked here. There will be a clamp which is made of aluminium, and it was tightened up here. There will be a screw here, a nut here, so this post can be rise up or down and rotate in order that this panel can be adjusted to suit the operator position or the height of the operator. And for details of this monitor, I'll continue to say something here first. And here is this material is pumping pipes or tubes. There is not right here and here. So these panels can be tilted from the vertical position. Also for shooting the operator uses. And here is the detail of the monitor. This is the screen. This will be a 10-inch touch screen, and actually, oh sorry, here this green color is the screen, and this is the keyboard, and this is the VFD control boxes, and this this one actually is my existing pendulum that was used in my existing CNC machines, and I will take it out for these uses, and the whole pieces will be installed inside this carbon or the enclosure, and these three buttons will be the cycle start or cycle the feed holders or the recess button, and these 8 pieces will be for future users. I have not decided what is the operation yet. These 2 knobs and this switch and this indicator, there are 2 sets of them. One is for cooling pump users to adjust the cooling flows on off. Another is for the suction. I will put a vacuum cleaning machines on the side of the machine, this CNC machine, so I can clean out the cutter chips when I sometimes there is no cooling and the driest cutter strips can be cleaned out by the suction of the vacuum cleaner, and this will be used for control the vacuum cleaner. And this is the pendulum, and this is the VFD control boxes. It was taken out from the VFD controller. This is the start button, indicator name. This is reset, emergency stop, and by taking out the back of the sheet, these carbons will be made of the aluminum sheet. And this one is 2 millimeters in thicknesses, and inside this control box I mostly will put on the mini computer here. This mini computer was not yet purchased and will be very soon. It's a pump larger than a pump. It's very in sizes. It's very small one. And this is another bracket to hold the pieces. This to hold the screens and also support the mini computer here, and also some PC board here. This is a sheet metal formed passes. It is in 1.5 millimeter thicknesses aluminum sheet, and this flipped will be used to locate the component here, and there are tabs here and hole for screw mounting. And here is the pendant and also the VFD control box. They are held by some metal strip, 3 pieces. And here is a PCB board for holding the switch button. As well, here is also a PCB board, and this is the variable resistor here and switch I mentioned this before. This is the cable come out from the screen and a small PC board, and there is also a PC board for the monitor, for the screen here. It will be located here, and the first PC board of the screen is here, is located on the side. There are some momentary switch here. They are for the panel display uses for the setting, such as the screen brightnesses, This is a small circuit board also for the screen. That's all for this. This monitor. Actually, I think it's better for custom make this one, so I can incorporate those switches and all the stuff here by myself. So I build it on my own. And the keyboard, there are USB port here, so I can plug in my USB memory thumb here to load my G-code file uses. Then I will, now here is some actual parts, and I will make the enclosures by this 2mm aluminum sheets. And here is the dedicated complicated parts, the 10-inch touch screens, and this must be handled carefully because those that cable wire is dedicated. And I have already tested, and it is quite good, and the price is not expensive, and it cost me, for this touch screens 10-inch, it cost me around $16 without, yes, and there's some prices for the delivery. one is this keyboard. A common keyboard is very cheap, but this one is a better one of quality, of a better quality. And there is a mouse pad here, so I don't need to install the mouse for the location of the mouse, additional location for the mouse is already there. And here is some other pieces. Actually there are much more, but I haven't put it here. Start button, this one, this taking out from the VFD control boxes. This for now. Thank you for your watching.